Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. This 7-seater is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, getting you an average of 10 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers. Opening up the hatch of this 4-wheel drive SUV, you have an automatic liftgate, revealing your trunk space. You also have these nice buttons on the side, which automatically lower the seats, which can give you even more trunk space. With the interior, you have memory power adjustable leather seats, the nice Bose sound system. On the dash is your 4x4 tow brakes and sensors. On the steering wheel is your heated steering wheel, as well as your adaptive cruise control. On the right side is your hands-free audio and digital display controls. This car currently has 146,286 kilometers. A nice large Bluetooth-ready infotainment system, dual-zone automatic climate controls, heated and cooled front leather seats, and storage with your 12-volt 2 USBs and cup holders. A nice phone holder with your large center console. At the back of the interior, you have a handle to help you get in. The middle row has 2 seats with flip-down armrests, a view of the sun moon roof, an infotainment unit up top, automatic climate control with heated seats, and power plug-ins for the infotainment unit. You also have a nice access to the back row of 3 seats. On both sides of the vehicle, once you open up a door, you have a flip-down side step. Thank you for watching the walk-around video of this 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where our sales team will happily show you around.